Entire organ here is the
Uterus.
uterus. See how it's sandwiched between the, what's this?
Anal.
The last 8 inches of the digestive tract.
It wasn't the, it's the
Rectum, thank you.
The rectum.
Okay, it's between the rectum and what's this?
Bladder.
Urinary bladder. Okay, so sitting between the rectum and the urinary bladder, and in fact leaning on top of the bladder, so that should give you a clue why when you're pregnant you have to go. Anyway. Alright, if you cut the uterus in half and look inside, I have written down that you need to find 3 tissue layers and 3 regions. Okay, this outer white line going around the outside would be, what do you think? Perimetrium. Peri meaning around, metro meaning womb. Okay, the middle layer, that's kind of a lighter orange layer, that's the middle layer. And it's made of muscle, so it's the myometrium. That's the muscle layer that contracts during labor. Okay, the innermost layer that they colored kind of a darker red is endometrium. Not very thick on this uterus. Okay, that's the endometrium. Now the regions, just like in the stomach, there's a rounded top that sticks up. The fundus, just like it was on the stomach, it was a rounded part of the stomach. So everything above the pointer, the probe there is the fundus. And then the bottom ½ inch or so is something else, below the pointer. It's the cervix. The cervix is actually the bottom of the uterus where it sticks down into the vagina. That's the cervix. It's not a separate organ, it's just the bottom of the uterus. In between the cervix and the fundus, from there to there, the body, just like the stomach's major part was the body. Okay, the uterine cavity here in the center. I'm not sure if I have that on the list though. All right, at the bottom of the cervix there's an opening called the external os. The external os is what they measure when they say how dilated are you. They're looking at the opening to the cervix.